Dear PV friends, the deadline of the early discounted registration for the IEEE PVSC is upcoming. Register before the May 9th. Hello, my name is Arno Smets and I'm Professor of Solar Energy at the Delft University of Technology. As the General Chair and in the name of Marius Peters, the Program Chair, and in the name of the Organizing and the Program Committee, it's my great pleasure to invite you to join us at the 52nd IEEE Photovoltaic Specialist Conference that will be held from June 9th until June 14 in Seattle, Washington. We are honored to host this world-class event, which offers you once again an excellent opportunity to absorb, update, and discuss the most recent and relevant developments in photovoltaics. Seattle Convention Center Summit will act as the conference venue. This new convention center not only connects Seattle's most vibrant neighborhoods, it blends city life with elements of the natural surroundings. Seattle Convention Center Summit is centrally located in the heart of Seattle's retail district and is just a few blocks from the iconic Pike Place Market. It's an amazing and inspiring venue to discuss the advances in solar energy. Dear attendees, save some money, and attendees, you need to register and pay by May 9th to receive the early registration rate, which is $100 less than the regular registration fees. And don't forget to make first a reservation at the conference hotel to receive a registration discount of $200 on your registration fee by May 9th. Make your hotel reservation prior to registering for the conference. Note that you must stay at least 3 nights in the conference hotel, and the discount code may be used by up to 2 people. Each person using the code must be listed on the hotel reservation. And the rooms are reversed in the Westin Seattle for regular participants and rooms in the Spring Hill Suites, Seattle downtown for students at special rates. The hotels are conveniently located nearby the Convention Center Summit. So, Arno, what will be happening during the conference? Now, let's give you an overview. First, PVSC marks a milestone in the conference's long-standing tradition of covering the full spectrum of PV knowledge and innovation, from the basic science and engineering of materials, devices and systems to the examination of policy and markets and critical issues of social impact for PV. And this is always distributed over 11 areas. We have a scientific program for 4.5 days that covers 48 parallel sessions, covering over 250 oral presentations and at least 350 poster presentations. And I am happy and honored to announce that during Monday's opening ceremony, the IEEE William Cherry Award this year will be awarded to Dr. Chris Su. Congratulations, Chris. Well deserved. Dr. Su is the Chief Scientist and Vice President of Longy's Central R&D Institute. He will have an inspiring acceptance speech on his 14 established world records of silicon solar cell efficiencies, and now holds efficiency records for the heterojunction technology, the hybrid back-contacted technology, and the perovskite heterojunction tandem cell technologies. The keynote address will be given by Dr. Peter Vaart, the CEO of RTC Solutions. His keynote will address local PV production and chances and challenges for the global and for the US market. It will be a great introduction to the industry forum sessions, which are complementary organized at the conference. The program committee has invited 11 inspiring plenary speakers distributed over the 11 areas. Let me quickly introduce them. Rachel Kurchin, she will talk about using computation to accelerate materials engineering from the atomistic to the device scale. Dr. Matthew Rees will give a plenary presentation entitled The Promise and Challenges of Cadmium Telluride PV. Leah Kuritsky will talk about the exciting topic of thermal batteries with thermophotovoltaic heat engines for industrial decarbonization. Stefan de Wolf will discuss the pathways to efficient and stable perovskite silicon tandem photovoltaics. Dr. Greg Horner from TAO will give a plenary entitled An Introduction to Corona Oxide Semiconductor Measurement. Kaizu will talk about the rapid advances in inverter perovskite solar cells. And Roger French will elaborate on the topic of data-centric artificial intelligence foundation models for fleet-wide data imputation performance and degradation analysis of PV systems. Matthew Millendorf will give a plenary on scaling PV inspections for a growing solar industry. Dr. Fan will discuss the grid integration of renewable energy and energy storage. And Hugh Kutcher will give a plenary on improved irradiance data, so the lessons learned from tracking the world's cloud, smoke, dust and more. Last but not least, Christian Breyer will discuss the role of solar PV for the energy industry transition in the Americas. So looking forward to these plenaries. We have special sessions as well. They are complementary to the scientific program. And these sessions discuss important developments for the photovoltaic sector. On Tuesday at 5 o'clock we will have the artificial intelligence in PV parallel session in the program. And on Wednesday afternoon at 1:30 we will have the plenary session towards 100% renewable energy infrastructure. New this year is the Industry Forum. If you are involved in the realization of local PV manufacturing, attending these sessions is a must. So come to Seattle. I invite you all stakeholders in the PV community to join us. These sessions cover important chances and challenges such as PV technology in the gigawatt production, PV trainings, how to train people for local gigawatt production and deployment, and the session US PV Market Dynamics 101 for suppliers. Please join us in these sessions. We offer our participants and students the opportunity to join a tutorial given by the leading expert in our PV community. In the morning we offer 5 tutorials, and in the afternoon we offer 5 tutorials as well on Sunday. Please check our website for more details on these tutorials. You can enroll for the tutorials when you register for the conference on the website. Please join us as well in the Woman in PV lunch on Thursday. Deborah Hafner-Ratliff will deliver the lunch lecture entitled The Pink Safety Vest. Deborah literally grew up in the solar industry and helped found the Washington State Solar Trade Association in 2013 at an age of 22 years old. Her career has included working for Washington State agencies and public utility district, giving her many perspectives on the solar industry. Please join us as well for the Minority Carrier Lunch on Tuesday. This year's topic of discussion is pride in one's identity. We will talk about the various identities that you carry and how we as individuals and leaders maintain pride in who we are and when we are underrepresented. Minority Carriers will provide attendees with professional development and career guidance that acknowledge the intersectionality and nuances of the diversity today. Dr. Lindsay Macmillan Brown will moderate this lunch session, and panelists are Dr. Jan Gorgovogui, Dr. Megan Bush, and Dr. Marta Lenio. During the conference, we have many social networking opportunities as well. On Sunday evening, after the tutorials, we have a student mixer at the Billiard Garage in Seattle. On Monday evening, we have the traditional exhibition welcome reception. On Wednesday morning, you can work on your health or beat your colleagues during the sun run, or beat me. On Wednesday evening, you can demonstrate your knowledge during the PVC quiz night. The conference dinner on Thursday evening will be held at the Pike Brewery downtown Seattle. I'm personally looking forward to that one. And finally, we offer a social program for all companions as well. Several tours under the professional guidance of Alex Freundlich are organized. You can't wait to join, of course, so please visit our conference website at IEEE-PVSC.org, PVSC52, for more detailed information. And looking forward to see you in Seattle. So register for May 9th. Remember that one.